Alright, y'all, so welcome to my channel. This is how I went from looking like MOJOJO from the Powerpuff Girls to being snatched. So basically this is like day 2 or 3 hair, and I slept in my slap. It's called a slap. It's a satin lined cap, and that's what I slept in, so that's why my hair kind of looks like that little oblong shape. So all I'm doing is just I put some oil on my hands, and as you can see, I just went in there like swimwear, and you just shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Whoa. That's what you got to do. You just got to get in there. Start from the root. You don't want to pull out the ends and stuff too much, because then you're gonna mess up your curls. So just get in there, deep in there, real deep in those roots. And if your hair is like mine, them roots are thick, like the thickets. They hold some depth. They're dense. So you might have to go deep. That's why I'm saying, you can't be on the shallow end. You gotta go in there. So what I'm doing now is I'm just literally just pulling out some pieces, but not too hard, because you gotta be gentle. You gotta be gentle with the curls. You can't be, like going in too quick, too fast, and then you pull out your stuff. So that's all I'm doing. Like, it's gently. It might look like I'm being a little rough, but it's gentle. I know how to be gentle, and that's what you do. So that's all I'm doing is just pulling out some right there. And on this particular day, I had to be ready in about 5 minutes, so I didn't have a lot of time to be laying edges and all of that. Okay, so what I decided to do is we're gonna do a little pineapple situation. That's what I did. And so all I did was take a little scrunchie and just ball my hair up. Don't try to make it too neat. That's probably my number one tip. Don't try to make it make sense or any of those. Don't do all that. Literally, I just pushed it up from the back and just kind of balled it up, and then I slapped that hair bow on there. And then my bangs that I got out, you just kind of fluff those to your liking, and the same as the hair bow. I mean the hair, you know what I'm trying to say. You just fluff that to your liking in the back, like that, like that, and you just put those where they need to go. I find that if you try to make it too neat, you have to separate your hair and pull it out. And my hair, you only got 2 or 3 tries with her, and then she's gonna turn on you. So that's all I need to do. You peep that smile. Anyway, so that's all you need to do, and don't try to make it neat. Those are my tips. And make sure you moisturize your hair. That slap got me right. So all I'm doing right now is I was just making my little side twist, side curls, and just tighten up them sides like that right there. And then I threw in a hoop. See, bam, look at that smile. And that's what I did. And then now I'm just primping. She should be done in a minute. And just like I said, fluff that to your liking, and don't pull and tease out your curls so much. There's another smile for you. Makeup is snatched. And have a good day. Look at that pineapple. I'm giving you Ari Lennox. Vibes. And she was snatched for the rest of the day. Welcome. Thank you for visiting my channel. And y'all have a nice day. Make sure you like and subscribe or whatever. And we'll be back. It's Miss Ferg. It's Alexis. Have a nice day. God bless you. Amen.